Hello, my name is Mikel Gambicky, and this is NutriScan, an Android application that uses AI image recognition to estimate calories and macronutrients from a photo of food. I built NutriScan to remove the need for manual food logging, which research shows users consistently abandon due to the effort involved. NutriScan bridges that gap. You simply take a photo and instantly receive your nutritional information. As you can see, the camera preview here shows a simulated environment rather than the live camera feed. This is because the application is running on an Android emulator rather than a physical device. On a physical Android device, such as a Google Pixel, this would display a real-time camera feed. The Galley option fully replicates the real-world experience and is what I'll be using throughout this demonstration. Here you can see the gallery selection screen. NutriScan only accesses the photos you select, protecting user privacy. I'll select an apple to demonstrate the recognition pipeline. NutriScan has correctly identified the food as an apple with a 99% confidence rate. The app retrieves nutritional data from the USDA Food Data Central database and displays 52 kilograms, 52 calories, 0.3 grams of protein, 14 grams of carbs, and 0.2 grams of fat for a medium portion, approximately 150 grams. The user can adjust between small, medium, and large, depending on what they consumed. Estimated value to the gram sizes. You'll also notice the Save to History and Scan Again buttons. The Scan Again button was actually a key technical challenge during development. Originally, after viewing the results screen, the user had no way to return to the Scan Another Food item without fully closing and restarting the application. This was a navigation stack issue in Android where the backstack wasn't being managed correctly. I resolved this by implementing a clean navigational call that clears the backstack and returns the user directly to the scan screen, making the app feel seamless and continuous. I'll now press Scan Again and select another food to demonstrate this. And again, NutriScan has identified pasta with a 99% confidence, returning 131 calories, 5 grams of protein, 25 grams of carbs, and 1.1 grams of fat, and an estimated portion size medium, 150 grams. What I'm most proud of with NutriScan is it actually works. As a solo developer building an AI-powered Android application from scratch, there were moments where the technical challenges felt overwhelming, but seeing the app correctly identify food with high confidence and instantly returning accurate nutritional data is something that I am proud of. Here, as you can see, we have the summary screen, which aggregates all of today's scans into a single daily overview. Across 2 scans today, NutriScan has tracked a total of 157 calories with a combined macronutrient breakdown of 5.2 grams of protein, 32 grams of carbohydrates, and 1.2 grams of fat. The app also tracks the most scanned foods this week, giving users insight into their dietary patterns over time. This summary feature was important because simply scanning food isn't enough. Users need to reflect on their intake across the day to make informed dietary decisions. You'll also notice the macronutrient progress bars beneath the circles. These give the user an instant visual representation of their macronutrient balance at a glance. The blue bar represents protein, the green bar represents carbs, and the yellow bar represents fat. This visual element was deliberately designed to make the data feel accessible and easy to interpret, rather than just presenting raw numbers. Before we proceed to the history screen, we will demonstrate one more scan to show what it would look like to save a food item to history. So you would navigate back to the scan page, to the gallery, and you would select your desired food. As you can see, rice, again, 99% confidence at 130 calories as a medium portion, estimated value of 150 grams, and 2.7 grams of protein, 28 carbs, and 0.3 fats. This is what the user would see, and if the user is happy with that, they would save to history. And finally, on the history screen, it will provide a full log of every item scanned. You can see the 4 recorded scans: pasta at 131, rice at 130, apples at 26, bananas at 133 calories, each with their full macronutrient breakdowns and timestamps and portion sizes. This persistent history is one of the core requirements of NutriScan, because the nutrition app that only shows results in the moment without logging them provides very limited long-term value. Looking ahead, future development of NutriScan will focus on expanding food recognition from 10 categories to the full Food 101 dataset of 101 categories, implementing multi-ingredient detection for complex meals, and migrating fully to Clarif AI Cloud API to resolve emulator compatibility issues and improve accuracy. Barcode scanning for packaged foods could also be implemented into the image recognition pipeline. This is NutriScan. Thank you for watching.